Welcome back to New Lucid. Today we'll be taking a look at the Great Sword, the debut project of Studio G. This one has a pretty different vibe from what we usually look at. Let's get it out of the box, which is absolutely massive. On top we have a metal novelty card, which is pretty cool. Under it is this box with all of our parts. First up are these pieces for propping up the card, an extra daughter board, gasket socks, extra screws, and bottom feet. Next we have an FR4 and polycarbonate plate, and our hot swap PCB with flex cuts. Here is a foam bag which includes plate foam, bottom PCB foam, PE foam, and an ESD sheet. Finally, we have the board itself in this custom sheath. Let's take a look at some info. The Great Sword is a gasket-mounted F13 TKL. We have a hot swap and solder PCB, with hot swap supporting wing key, wing keyless, and stepped caps, and soldered also supporting split left shift and ISO enter. These both have daughter boards. QMK and VIA are supported. For plates, we have polycarbonate, FR4, and aluminum. And for colors, we have black, dark gray, silver, red, purple, and E-white. Finally, the Great Sword will run you around $450. In the PCB are TX stabs looped with 205 grade 0 and BDZ. I'll add on the plate foam, the polycarbonate plate, and in here go Tros-Fox illusion switches looped with 205 grade 0. I'll add on the gasket socks on the plate tabs. With the inner assembly done, we can get to the case. This case has a screwless exterior, so the screws to open the case are on the inside here. Attached to the top case is also a mid case, which we'll have to remove to insert the inner assembly. With all cases open, we can insert the inner assembly, insert the ESD protective sheet, thread in the daughter board cable, reinstall the mid case, and close up the entire assembly using the top screws. Finally, I'll install GMK think caps. Let's take a listen.